Hello once again, my fellow Halloween fans. I hope your fall is going wonderful, and I hope you're having a great Halloween season so far. Now last year, I decided to start sharing some of my vintage Halloween stuff with you guys. It was actually pretty popular. So I figure I'm going to keep going, and we've got so much that we've accumulated over the years that I just want to continue. So I went through and I was looking for something to show you guys, and I found vintage. I'm going to show you a jack-o'-lantern. This is the electric window lantern. Now this is kind of messed up when I say it's vintage because we bought it new. Like a lot of the things that I show you, we actually buy brand new, and over the years we've gone back and we look at it and it's like, oh, well, what's vintage? And like, oh my god, it doesn't seem that long ago we had gotten this. This actually goes into the window. This is for indoor use only, made in the USA. Alright. And this is the electric window lantern. Let's show you the top of the box real quick. You see that picture of the pumpkin itself. Quick and easy to install. And I think the bottom, let's see. This portable lamp has a polarized plug. One blade is wider than the other. As a safety feature, this plug will fit in polarized outlets only, one way. If the plug does not fit fully in the outlet, reverse the plug. If it still does not fit, contact a qualified electrician. Never use an extension cord unless plug can be fully inserted. Do not attempt to defeat the safety feature. I'm looking at the side of the box. Again, it seems like just last year we got this jack-o'-lantern, and it shows you the illustration on what to do. When you put it, it's got like a clip, and you pull the window open, you pull it in, you put it underneath, you feed the clip in, and then you kind of close it again. Quick and easy installation to use. Open window 1 inch, place jack-o'-lantern base in the window opening and close the window, locking the base. Locking base for firm, secure fit, no suction cup of tape to let loose. And this is from IMC. Suite 100 Jamie Drive, Sewell, New Jersey. And I think it's the same on both sides. But I think this side has the barcode on it. And again, you can see the installation illustration. Code 11033-80001. And both sides, both fronts of the box are the same as well. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put you guys on the tripod, and we'll open it up. Alright, so that'll be a little bit easier to show you guys. Why don't we go ahead, and I think I'm going to unplug the Klingon D7. And there we get a little bit darker. Actually, maybe I shouldn't have done that. Maybe we'll unplug it once we get the, show you guys what's inside. Alright, so, open up the box. And we've got the instruction sheet. That's the first thing. You can see the instructions for the jack-o'-lantern. 1 each pumpkin face, 1 each bracket, 1 each lamp cord, and 1 7.5 watt bulb. You got a parts list. Locate the slot in the base of the pumpkin face. And then take the bracket in hand, in position shown, and insert the slot at base of pumpkin face so that the holes line up. And finally, put the bulb into the socket, grasping the flexible springs. Slip the bulb into the hole at the bottom of the pumpkin face. Through a hole in that bracket and releasing the springs to the lamp. Holder socket locks into base. So you can see this is from 1992. Man, I didn't think it was that old. Okay, IMC. So those are the instructions. Let's see what else we got in here. So according to the parts list, we should have the bulb, and we've got the bulb, and we've got the cord, and let's see, where's the bracket? Here's the bracket, and finally, we've got the pumpkin. And that's everything that's in the box. So maybe we'll move the science tricorder, and maybe we'll put the communicator aside as well. So we can put this over here to show you guys. You can see what we're going to do is it's going to go in like this. And what you're going to do is we're going to push it through to the other side. And we've got the opening. And then we have the bulb. And what we do is we kind of put it in like that. You can see how the springs are going to lock it into place. And when you open your window and you pull it down, this goes in this way, because you got to make sure that this part is facing front. If not, it's going to be too far up against the window. This way here, it's going to be flush with the window pane. And show you how he looks. So let's go ahead and we're going to plug him in. Now we're going to unplug the Klingon D7 battlecruiser. And oh, by the way, it comes with a, well, you can't really see it, but it does come with a fuse, an extra fuse for the cord. And there we go. Look at him. All nice and Halloweenish. Looking at this really brings back memories. It's funny because it's in really good condition. The way the house was at our old house, it was like a cape, and it had a dormer in the front. Well, the point is, the sun never hit that side of the house, the front side of the house. So it would rise on the side where the driveway is, and it would set on the other side of the house. So this one wasn't blasted by the sun, so the color didn't fade. So this is still, it looks still brand new. And let's see, this filming is 2022, and we got him in 1992. So, believe it or not, oh my God, I can't believe I'm going to say this, he's 30 years old. He's 30 years old. Man, it's like we just got him. You can see the back, looking pretty good. Halloweenish. And I still keep the instructions, and those of you that see my channel and follow me, you know how I am when it comes to keeping everything in new condition or in mint condition. You know, like comic book guy. We're going to keep it in mint condition. So this is the jack-o'-lantern window installation decoration. And he's got that, love that classic kind of 70s or vintage style face. And he's looking at you. And it's got that spray, the black spray onto the plastic. Let me see if there's anything on the plastic itself. You know, like the Empire. All the Empire pieces usually have some kind of writing on it. I don't see anything. I think this is just a blow mold. You can see where the two halves of the blow mold would have gone together. So I don't know if it's a full blow mold or be considered a blow mold. I do have some of the Empire blow molds to show you. I've got a bunch of those. But this is for the window unit. And he's looking out at the trick-or-treaters that are coming your way. Again, I can't believe he's 30 years old. That's just blowing my mind. So my friends, I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. I just wanted to show you this guy. And the boxes that we keep for Halloween, we love the Halloween candles, and the storage bins that we have, for the most part, we have a few cardboard ones, and we have like the electronics and the boxes in those, but for the rest, we've got those big plastic storage bins. And what's good about that is it keeps everything out. It keeps the musty smell of the cellar out, it keeps insects out, and everything inside is really like a time capsule. So when I opened it up, I actually got the smell of the candles in this, and it just brought me back to the old house when the kids were small. You know, those fond kind of memories. So my friends, I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed showing him to you. And until my next Halloween vintage little goodie to share with you, I'll talk to you real soon. Happy Halloween.